conduct economic removes borders between countries and adds dimension new to the internalization process. Technological development makes to this electronic commerce in the international environment is unavoidable. For the development of the empirical study, 5 interviews were analyzed with the main aim to explore the motivation that drive companies to expand online. Since consumers are the main players in this process, the consumer perspective concerns e-commerce study. For this reason, an online survey was created to analyze the impact of networking, social impact on consumer relation. The results show a real relation between internalization and adoption strategies e-commerce. Introduction. Internalization using strategy through e-commerce is the then design in this research is to understand how small and medium enterprise can expand international through e-commerce and how companies can carry out international penetration into foreign markets without having to be physical present. In this context, e-commerce emerges as one of the most practical and most widely used by consumers, allowing companies to achieve big goals. International expansion at low cost. Companies can easily calculate the effectiveness of sales, marketing campaign, product mix, customer engagement, and effectiveness by complete a series of analytical campaigns. The main aim of this research is to analyze the article contribution to internalization and international models e-commerce and linking with strategy international company. The main goal is to propose a methodology for obtaining new empirical data to validate research questions. In addition, this research aims to identify by complete the gaps on previous and the current literature on helps company develop new strategies that are able to respond to new trends at the same time and maintain competitive vision.
Okay, thank you for Nova. And the next speaker is Linda for Primary School. Chapter 2, the review international is usually defined as a company strategy to expand its product and service across nation borders. Previous researchers have tried to explain the motivation for international and adoption. Researchers-oriented view that highlight the importance of internal aspect of the organization. International model, several models and theories are claimed to be able to explain the phenomenon of international Uppsala model, named after the Swedish city business school in the international model that relies on learning and knowledge. Import on resource and capabilities. Digital companies are characterized by the use of internal network, website, and mobile technology, which is a key driver of business expansion. Digitalization involves the interconnection between companies, products, or several and people. This is element that drive the international of companies. Evolution and different types of e-commerce. The development of the internal and broadband network increases the number and value of transactions done electronical. The concept of electronic commerce was introduced in 1997, and commerce can be defined as the use of electronic network computer-based technology to bring new several products or ideas to the market to improve business action. The main advantages of e-commerce: the acceleration of technology leads to a new way of doing the economy by means of marketing different and access to global market from of distribution, trade, and work management. Cannot of course gather electronic commerce. However, company must be aware that the internet can also be a threat to them because consumers also have tools that allow them to develop experience on the global internet, which on the one hand can be useful and on the other hand can destroy brand image and credibility. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Ida, and for next speaker is Maharani. Time is yours. Chapter 2, E-commerce business model. Companies started using e-commerce online to integrate new media and online community. In their business process and even created new business models the look exchange of the space. In retail, with the development of information technology, we are involved in new ways approach e-commerce, electronic marketing, technology development made the internet an important marketing tool today and has made the internet an effective channel of selling, sharing, expanding, and distribution product and service. Brand equity and trust in e-commerce. Brand equity is indirect of efficient marketing strategies and progress arising from the introducing of new technology. Role of social media marketing. It is important to note that every company must pay attention and relevant to its social network as elements of communities and creating relationship with its customers. Influence marketing. As a marketing strategy, companies are interested in building a social facet of the network to allow them to have greater engagement with shape their experience so that they feel emotional connect to the brand or willing to help the achieve their goals. Thanks.
Okay, for the next speaker is Rani. For Rani, time is yours.
Chapter 3, Analysis, Model, and Research Hypothesis. The literature review describes e-commerce as a drug that increases facilitated communicative and information exchange and relates positive relationships with internationalization. This study
trade patents to identify the impacts of the variables mentioned in the relationship between brand and customer when mediated by social network. Chapter 4. Research Methodology, Data Collection and Analysis. This chapter will describe the research strategy choice based on the existing literature and later on the data acquired empirically. The primary purpose is to do an independent investigation that will provide qualitative empirical information from the discussion of the data collection method, including sample selection, and finally, question about the validity and reliability of the data. Based on the literature review as a starting point, categories were treated in three dimensions: motivation, challenge, and adaptation of marketing strategy to the company objective. Thanks.
Okay, for the next analysis about influencer marketing. Digital influencer must have the ability to offer high quality images that will effective communication with clients. And the next is web page design can customer preference by offering marketing opportunities to expand product reach to generate more sales by influencing the importance of acquisition. And the fourth next is strategy formulation. Strategy formulation, there's three. Number 4 is analysis the situation. Number 2 is strategy planning. Number 3, organization innovation. And the next is knowledge management. For the next speaker is Nirmala from Nirmala Pradesio.
Data analysis chapter 5. Example of profile. Interview. The sample perception, the process of selecting the number of subjects participating in a study. In the first step, to conduct interview, companies will select it that achieve success in their commercialization through electronic commerce, and they focus on international expansion. The focus is on Portuguese as MES. During the research, approximately 30 companies were contacted. For this research, 5 interviews were conducted with companies that have the characteristic of the official journal of the European Union regarding the definition of SMES. The word most frequently used during interview, one of them is marketing. It is one of the themes during the interview to understand what tools the company uses to help develop marketing strategies. If the interview agrees that marketing is critical to the internalization process and evaluate the impact of marketing on success. Word association. The second method used in the text meaning is word association. This is a qualitative method used in investigative research. This method associates the most frequently used words to understand the concept and views that are most relevant to the interview. During the interview, one of the questions was to analyze the motivation that led the company to adopt e-commerce as an expansion strategy. Initially, brand awareness is an indispensable means to achieve the expand goals and to gain a competitive advantage in their business environment. This provides information the most of the respondents' dependence on the e-commerce has a significant impact on marketing strategies. thereby leading to higher investment at the technological level and strengthening their capacity to adapt to new, different realities. After analyzing the strategy, leaders of the interview companies, it was verified the companies mentioned marketing as a powerful tool that can grow brand awareness and strategic communication with customers. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you for the Mala. For speaker is Lucky, for the Lucky part is yours.
That's called correlation, mapping, and cluster analysis. The text correlation is an important text in Excel file that follows. Used to maintain the track, figure, and relationship between the network used to draw important conclusion from the text explainer. Link and education are starting to use many software tools for a number of commercial-related purposes. Typical such tools are used to help instill critical and analytical skill in student, allow student to see the relationship between context and done assessment. Table A. So a set of relationship between several contexts and what the mentioned during the interview. The main subject are energy in the enemy complete analysis of activity. Starting by analyzing subgroup 01, which consists of several works related to international. All the interviewer companies carry out national and international sales for electronic commerce and in cover company perform industry simply process online supply. In the second intern, sample selection was carried out randomly. When condition and online survey analyzed limit to 172 people aged between 17 and 50 years and with different education qualification. In this way, we illustrate by characteristics. Group. The data collection for the group is shown in the table 9. So it is possible to understand from the analysis that the 1,072 people were at between 70 and 56 years. Second, the dominant group of the person is 17 and 25 years, was selected by 90%. That data related to the education, qualification, laws of the individual based on table 10, 20 a lot of regular have qualification according to academic education, including consumer relation with e-commerce. After access the system to buy online, it was found that the majority recorded around 60% have a high tendency to make browsing online in the ground about 3 of respondents. Social media network to assess the impact on consumers as the drive of commerce on social media. Thus, it was found for 42 of the sample set and 7 of them on the order hand. Context alpha to make the study more reliable, the data collection manual validation and question launched in the statistical analysis software. Thank you.
Okay, for the last speaker is Sergi. For Sergi, time is yours.
Chapter 6. The threat feedings against the decision to internalize through e-commerce influence by endorsement and external factors. The factor include internal and external drive comprehensive understanding of Portuguese companies internalization. Furthermore, the study indicates that the use of e-commerce in the internalization process lead to reorganization and intensification of innovation level. Business model innovation becomes crucial, impacting proportion, marketing channel, and resource allocation. The dynamic nature of e-commerce facilitates innovation by allowing us consumer contact and adaptation to market specification. Regarding the involvement of external intermediaries and partners in the internalization process, the research revealed that the e-commerce diminishes the realism of external agent. Companies leveraging internal research and digital customer data prioritize market diversification of penetration. This challenges traditional layers of partnership, emphasizing the importance of regulation access to market data in forget market for long-term success. Chapter 6. The study on internationalization of Portuguese companies through e-commerce provides valuable insight into a relative unexplored area in the literature. The research aims to contribute to existing knowledge and after practical guidance of managers and companies to internal market. The paper begins with a comprehensive overview of e-commerce, exploring various models and incorporating insight for internationalization and e-commerce theories. The propose the shift in thinking for factor influencing the rapid internationalization of Portuguese companies through e-commerce. The methodology analysis and supervision aligned with ethics literature reinforcing the credibility of study, feeding in the data atau e-commerce signifikasi unity and access company innovation capabilities. Positively impacting global performance. The study emphasizing the pivotal of the online shopping international acting in improve customer and boosting growth into business strategy. Okay, thank you.
Okay, maybe enough analysis will now from me and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.